Yes.
Haunted house na.
Yung pasaguin eh.
Oh, go, go, go. Lateral White House.
Pizza muna. Ay, pizza muna.
Order daw.
Sir, ang available lang is Cashewell and Bolognese po.
Wala yun.
Right, go.
Yeah? Ayos na. Ay, ito to. Easy.
Grabe, no? Oh.
This is the main dining. And then this is the sun.
Dawahan.
Yes po.
This is February.
Ang ganda, oh. Man. Oh, be careful, ha. Watch your steps.
This is the original kitchen po. Yung door po na.
Oh.
Naki-convert naman po namin into a pantry po para dito sa ground floor.
What's your like?
Yeah. Watch your steps, Kai.
Wow. Ganda na yan.
Masarap naman ang experience natin.
So this one po, bali yung mga nandito po is mga original bedroom. Naki-number po namin ka dining room. And then this one, meron pa pong attic. Yung attic is kinumber naman po namin into office na po. So this black door po, this is the original kitchen po.
Ay,
Kinumber
mami,
naman po
natuwa
namin as
ako.
pantry dito para sa second
Kilang?
floor. So this is
Bite
the
your-
first room. That's good for 6 bucks po.
May gagawin ko na.
Bite your finger lang.
Ang maganda po kasi dito na-present po nila yung structures ng bahay kahit na
Mami,
matagal na rin po siya. Even the cabinets
It's
are
okay to
original po. And then, matibay po siya kasi yung structures ng bahay is made by Nara Inyakan po. Kaya hindi siya ganun-ganun nasira po. And then, this is the second, third one. And then, kung makikita ninyo, may white door po dito, but for the owner na po siya.
Thank you. Oh, be careful. Mami, wala.
Sige.
Hindi, yung this one, just lang ako at least.
Master bedrooms ng family. Ito yung original door po nila sa CR. Sa chili pepper.
Okay.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's that. Saan yan?
And then this is a chicken princess.
Chicken franchise? Okay. Oh. Okay. Teka. Ako na. Teka. Ano? Teka lang. Off mo na. Hindi dyan. Ito, hindi. Ayun.
Kilig na kilig si Pia.
Ano?
Sorry.
Diyan na.